Do we need to go to your facility for in-person installation and training? The answer is no. At Industrial Plankton, we manufacture turnkey equipment. So the idea is that this equipment ships to you, it arrives, and within a day or so, you're able to start actually running it. The resources we have available, we've got a video instruction manual as well as a PDF instruction manual that you'll have access to. And these are some of the best in the industry as far as user-friendly, intuitive to use manuals and resources. This is the way that you can get started easily. If you'd prefer to get a little bit of help while you work with the bioreactor and get started, get familiar with the parts, and even if you aren't familiar with growing algae that well, we have a team of amazing staff that would be more than happy to come out to your facility, make sure the equipment's installed correctly, and then also teach you how to use it, where we focus on cleaning it properly and inoculating it, and then actually operating the bioreactor to optimize for your algae. So if you're interested in getting someone there helping you install it, it's certainly the fastest way to get started.